Hi everyone, I'm Anita and this is UNE Discovery Voyager Online. What's your favourite colour? I love colours. Green is probably my favourite. And I love playing with colour and seeing how different colours combine. So when I'm gardening, planting different flowers, making craft or painting. But today, instead of combining colours, our experiment is about separating colours out. And this experiment is called chromatography. It's going to show how different inks, like inks in a texter, make up different colours. So what do we need today? We need a strip of paper towel. This is quite a thin one and it works well. We need some coloured texters. You only need, say, 3, but choose whichever ones you like. We need a dish of water, so just a bowl from the kitchen would work. We need something tall to peg our piece of paper on. And of course we need a peg. And you'll need a pencil as well. So you might like to pause this video so you can grab your equipment and play along at home. Okay, so how do we set up this experiment? Here I've got a tray to put the water on. So a little dish of water there. And I've got my something tall here. We need our piece of paper with a line drawn so that that line is going to be above the water when we dip the bottom of the paper towel in the water. So I've drawn that along here. Then you need to choose 3 coloured textures. I've chosen these. Now you might think they're quite dull colours, brown, black, purple, but this is what the exciting bit of the experiment is going to be. So here we draw circles or little dots on our piece of paper on the line. Here we've got our black. Here I've got my brown. And here I've got my purple. Cool, we're ready to go. We need our peg. We need to dip the paper into the water, just as long as we don't get any water on the coloured texture, because if we did, that colour is going to start running down into the paper and we want it to run up. Okay, so here it is. Is it in the water? Is it starting to absorb? Here we go. And stand back and watch it happen. So that's about 10 minutes we've had ours in the water. You might like to keep yours going for at least 20 minutes. This is one we did yesterday and we left it in there for about half an hour. Okay, so what have we got going on here? So you saw the water soaking up into the paper towel and the different coloured inks. They're made up of different colours and each of these colours or inks are a different chemical compound. And some of these chemicals mix better with the water, and these will be the ones that travel further up the paper towel. So the one here, do you remember what colour that was to start with? It was purple, and we've got pink down the bottom and blue up the top. So the blue, that particular chemical will mix or attach itself to the water molecules, whereas the ones down the bottom, they're more attracted to the paper towel. So they will attach themselves to the paper towel. Now this middle one was brown to start with. So what colours make up brown? We've got some blue, some green, some brown, some red, some orange. It's incredible. And the one on this side was black. And I can see some grey, some blue, some black. And right up in this corner up here, it's like it's an orange or a red. What colours can you see in your experiment? Even different brands of textas use different colours, so I used a couple of different types of textas here. And you might want to experiment with different textas at home. So this is a technique that scientists or chemists actually use. So a chemist might make a new compound and then use a similar technique to separate out the different chemicals that they make. So this is real science, guys. I hope you've had fun trying this experiment. And you might like to try it with lots of different textures and colours and see your results. So see the link above or below for our experiment card. Take it to our website and we'll see you next time for more play on Discovery Voyager Online. See ya.